Healthcare and facilities. The minister shall, in collaboration with the minister responsible for health, take appropriate measures to ensure access for persons with disabilities to health services that are gender sensitive and to health-related rehabilitation, and shall in particular prescribe measures to A. Provide persons with disabilities with the same range, quality and standard of free or affordable health care and programs as provided to other persons, including in the area of sexual and reproductive health and population-based public health programs. B. Provide those health services needed by persons with disabilities specifically because of their disabilities, including early identification and intervention as appropriate, and services designed to minimize and prevent further disabilities, including among children and older persons. C. Provide health services as close as possible to persons' own communities, including rural areas. D. Require health professionals to provide care of the same quality to persons with disabilities as to others, including on the basis of free and informed consent by, among others, raising awareness of the human rights, dignity, autonomy, and needs of persons with disabilities through training and the promulgation of ethical standards for public and private health care. E. Prohibit discrimination against persons with disabilities in the provision of health insurance and life insurance, where such insurance is permitted by law, which shall be provided in a fair and reasonable manner. And F. Prevent discriminatory denial of health care or health services, food and fluids on the basis of disabilities. The ministry responsible for health shall, in formulating and implementing health policies and programs, provide for A. Free general and specialist medical care, rehabilitative operation, treatment, and appropriate assistive devices for persons with disabilities. B. Measures for prevention of disabilities. C. Early rehabilitation of persons with disabilities. D. Systems to avail appropriate facilities and personnel to local health institutions for the benefits of persons with disabilities. And E. Measures to enable persons with disabilities receive free or affordable rehabilitation and essential medical services in health facilities. The ministry responsible for health shall include education on disability and disability issues in healthcare programs. The ministry responsible for health shall include the study of disability and disability-related issues in the curriculum of training institutions for health professionals to develop appropriate human resources to provide general and specialized rehabilitation services. The ministry responsible for health shall, in collaboration with the ministry responsible for social welfare, provide for periodic screening of children in order to detect, prevent, and manage disability. The ministry responsible for health shall establish and operate health assessments and resource centers in each clinic at district level in order to provide early diagnostic medical attention to mothers and infants to determine the existence or onset of disability.